likes, comments, views, shares, followers, and subscribers are all trending on social media. People often spend their time increasing their social media engagement. My friend, I have a question to you because you are watching my video. The question is, why are you watching my video? If you think that you are watching my video to earn, to increase your social media engagement, could you please avoid me? Could you please ignore me? Because I won't increase your social media engagement, because I know very well social media engagement is a short term achievement. Social media engagement is a temporary achievement. It is not a permanent achievement. Because you are my honorable viewers, so I have responsibility to inform you, to share you about you. Could you please don't spend your time to get, to increase, or to earn short term or temporary achievement. Try to spend your time, try to invest your time to earn permanent achievement. Now you can ask me, how can I earn permanent achievement? My friend, if you really want to earn permanent achievement, if you really want to achieve any permanent achievement, really be increasing your skills. Only your skills can bring your permanent achievement. Only your strong skills will bring your permanent achievement. So don't waste your time to earn or to achieve short term achievement.